Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Dealers here, and today we are going to talk about a project called Fxvert, and of course we are going to do a scam check. So let me show you guys what does it say. Basically they say they give you 13.5% daily, yeah. And as you know guys, we are looking for, has the contract been audited, has the team been KYC'd, is there a legitimate business model behind it, and is there a white paper? So first of all, as you can see up here, no links to any of whatever I just mentioned, yeah. And let me show you guys, 13.5% daily, what would this give you in return? And they don't even charge any fees, okay? So let me show you guys, if you would start with an investment of $500 and the interest rate of daily 13.5%, after 4 months, let me show you guys, you would have around 2,455,000,000, yeah? So just think about it, guys. If anyone could trade like this, yeah, if you start with $500 and in just 4 months you would have almost 2.5 billion, yeah. If you could do this, why would anyone then just waste time and make a homepage like this and show people that they can do this, and within 4 months they could be billionaires, yeah. So guys, and then they hide their faces, they don't show their faces. If I would do something like this, that I can take $500 to 2.5 billion within 4 months, I would like everyone to know who I am, show my face, because that's amazing, yeah. And they are hiding. So think about it, in 4 months they could be billionaires. And what's also interesting, you see the deposit amount, it says daily 13.5%, and if you move it, the daily changes, okay. So that they didn't even spend time to make the homepage properly. And of course, let's see guys, as of right now, there is no, they just say the trade, so there's no white paper. Let's say first red flag, we can even go down here, I can make this real quick. So there is no white paper, first red flag, yeah, first red flag, no white paper. That means they don't explain how they do it, who they are, and all of this. Second red flag, no KYC. That means they don't show their faces. Nobody said, okay, I'm the owner of this project, that's my name, that's who I am, and all of this. Third red flag, okay, the contract has not been audited. That means it could be full of backdoors or just one backdoor, so they can drain the liquidity. And guys, if you know, I'm always sticking to trading. If you also want to trade, guys, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. And of course, guys, what is the last red flag? Red flag number 4. We had, you know, no KYC, no audited contract, no white paper. And of course, there is no legitimate business model, because they just claim to make 13.5% daily. This doesn't make any sense, because as I've shown you, they could be billionaires within 4 months. So there, guys, just another scam. This is they will rug pull in a couple of hours or days, whatever. So that's it, guys. As always, do your own research before you invest your own money, but this doesn't make any sense to me. So this is just another Ponzi scheme. They need new people to come in, and then they will just take the money. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.